In this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss on MatchTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the platform, you want to go ahead and select the symbol you want to trade. I'm going to go into crypto over here, and I'm just going to select Bitcoin USD. And then here, if you actually want to set a stop loss, you want to click on Advanced Order down here at the bottom left of this window. And this will open up a box where you can basically go ahead and set different things as well as the stop loss. So just click on the stop loss toggle button over here. You'll be able to disclose what stop loss you want over here, and of course you'll also be able to set it in either price, value, percent, or point, so that's up to you. And then you can just click on however much you want it to be, or just change this number. It's completely up to you. Click on buy or sell after that, and then of course you'll be able to go ahead and have your stop loss set. Okay, so if I click on that right now, there we go. As you can see, I now have the order down here at the bottom, and my stop loss has been applied. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.